I'm going to show you how to get your first client in the AI space. If you're over here selling AI solutions, listen to me. Go to Upwork and apply for jobs, or apply for small, short-term, real quick jobs. Let me show you. If you go to Upwork, after you make your account, right, I want you to make your profile and make sure in your profile you provide some different builds that you've done. Because I'm assuming at this point you've practiced on at least one or two builds, or you've gone very more technical in the AI side and haven't really done a lot of the trying to go get clients. You're trying to get clients by showcasing what you built. That's never going to happen, right? You have to go out and reach them or do it by marketing, right? But anyways, this is, I'm never on Upwork, right? But I made my profile, put a couple videos up there, put a couple pictures like this, right? Put a couple pictures like this, right? And you look like a leader in the space when you do this, right? And yes, I don't use Upwork that much. I use LinkedIn, but still, this will work for you, right? You get a couple amount of connects that you can go apply for jobs. So let's go to the jobs. Let's go find some of the work that you can do, right? Like this, Zapier integration specialist for PDF contract automation, $50. Less than 5 people have applied to this, right? And I'm not saying that Upwork isn't a tough space, but if you really need that client, do this. If you see 10 people applied, do it for free. Do it for free. Get that case study. Ask the client, hey, can I make a video real quick about how my work was for you? If you did a good job for them, they'll probably say yes. Do a quick 2-minute video, ask them 3 questions, and that's a case study already, right? And yes, these jobs are a little bit on the lower end, like this is 500. You can get good deals. You could get $2,000, $1,000 contracts, right? Like it's possible. It's possible. But it is more competition though, I would say. But for example, if you're looking at the screen right now, not too many people are applying to these, and they're doing 500 a pop. See, for 500 a pop, if you can get this done within 3 days, you're making bread. You're making bread. Now you may have to, at a certain point, pay for more connects, and that is fine. Now, I'm going to put this out there as well. If you are on Upwork and you're having a hard time getting clients, I'm going to give you a game changer. This is game changing. And I was never going to give it out, but I'm going to give it out because I understand the struggle of getting your first client. Go to Upwork. Click on one of the jobs, right? Whatever, you read through the job and you know that you can do this, or you know that you can research it in a couple hours and figure out how to do it, right? Then when you apply to the job, when you go up and you apply to the job, I don't have any connects, but it's going to come down here with a cover letter. Your cover letter has to stand out, and let it stand out by writing less and then sending a loom. Send a loom video of all the projects you've done. You have to have something at this point of your AI career, probably. So if you have a bunch of builds in Vappy, or a bunch of builds in make.com or Zapier or any voice flow, it doesn't matter. Show them and be like, hey, I've worked with a client similar in this space, or hey, I do projects similar to this listing. Here's what I've done. And that's what you do in the loom video, right? Send in the loom. Put something here very short. Hey, I sent you some of the projects I've done that are related to what you're looking for. Please take a look and get back to me if you deem I'm a good candidate. 9 times out of 10, When Loom shows on Loom, it'll show you when they saw your Loom, right? So you're like, so you already have a better. That's already two touch points. They saw your Upwork listing proposal, then they saw your Loom. So you're already getting closer than all the other candidates who are going to apply, right? And that's just a key game changer for me, at least. Now, the Upwork, it's it, you need to make sure you know how to do the work too, because some of these clientele that you could get are very, it's very much on their own time. They will respond on their own time. They expect you to be on their time, and you may not even be in their time zone. So if you are on here, make sure that you're communicating and telling them you're going to get it done by X amount of X day, X time, because sometimes they are impatient and they will rate you bad if you haven't, responded in X amount of, whatever. It's never happened to me, but I've talked to other freelancers in this space that has happened to. So you just got to be cautious of that and make sure that you're communicating with your clientele. But I promise you, if you do this, you will get your first client fast. Make a video off of that client, post it everywhere, whatever. Put it back on your Upwork and said, I did this for a client. This is what he said about me. Post the video, post the comments of what they said about you. Boom. You already look more legit than the rest. But that's my tip. If anything, if you need ad solutions, please come to me. But that's the rest of the video. I hope y'all go sign your first client. And I'll talk to you in the next one.